Okay. Yeah, good. Good flavor. Yeah. Yeah, looks nice.
And just take one like this. Colour them up.
Okay. Nice. Nice. Okay. It's not hot. It's a in video right now.
Okay.
So you should try because you are good chef. So try.
Try.
And you use this one because mix up. Okay.
Okay. No. Yeah. You're right.
Yeah.
You're right.
Yeah. And a little bit. Yeah.
It's quite different. So not so spicy.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah. Flavor from katsuo. Yeah. Shredded bonito. Dried shredded bonito. Right.
That's delicious.
Yeah. Okay.
Yours is the same.
Yeah. Almost the same. Almost same.
Try this. Okay. Try the shells. Try the shells. I think Maxim's shells
Yeah.
are very similar. That's good.
Very good. Okay.